guys, in this video, I want to talk about the Diet Coach PH. So honestly, the very first time that I heard about their company or brand was when they messaged me. At first, I was, hesitant. I didn't know what to say because I didn't want to take like supplements in my body if I don't know what it actually is. Like, is it bad? Is it good? I don't know. I looked at the ingredients and the reviews and it looked good naman. It looks credible. So I was like, okay, sige, sure, send me the package. Thank you for considering me, blah, blah, all that. And so they sent me a very big package. Let me show you. They gave me 2 boxes of their Ultra Collagen drink. Each box contains 8 pieces of their Ultra Collagen drink, which is 50 ml each bottle. One bottle contains 10,000 milligrams of fish collagen. So how they were marketing it was, after one drink or after you finish one bottle, you can see a big difference already in your skin. But I feel like it varies per person, maybe, I don't know. But my mom and I actually saw results after 5 days. Okay, so let's talk about the taste and the smell. Oh my god, the first time I opened the box, I'm so sorry, like this is an honest review, but it smells weird. It smells weird, but it gives great results, so I'm not really complaining that much. Kasi, I mean, like, what do you expect from fish collagen? Diba? Syempre magiging malansa, right? So yeah, since that was the smell, I had to hold my breath when I took a shot. Kasi you have to drink this like straight. Actually, until now, it's still kind of off for me, like the smell and the taste. It's an acquired taste and smell. So the very first time that I drank it, my pee smelled like the drink. But that was just the first day. After like second, third onwards, okay na siya. Like the pee doesn't smell that bad anymore. It smells like normal pee. So I guess it's just the body like adapting to it. Okay, so moving on to the results. This is actually how my face looked like before I started taking the Diet Coach Ultra Collagen drink. As you can see, it's super bad. Like, it's red and I have a lot of pimples all over my face. But right now, believe it or not, I don't have any makeup on except for like eyebrows and mascara and a little lip balm. But other than that, like, this is raw, like no filter, nothing. See, I feel like my eye bags got lighter-ish and like nag-glow talaga ako. I could say that. And my skin also, not just my face, but like my skin feels like it has a glow. Can you see it? Like, I have no lotion on. Walang lotion yan. I like the results and it's worth it. Kasi before, my skin used to be like so dry. Like kahit igaganyan mo, may para na siyang madodrawing. yung dryness. Yeah, but now it's like, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Can you see it? Wala. So yon, since my mom saw very good results on my dry skin, I messaged them and they were kind enough to give me a special discount for a 30-day supply. But basically, I just really like this product and I'm so happy that they messaged me because it's super worth it. Like, maybe after these 2 boxes, kasi since 11th day na ako, I have like 5 more and I'm done. I might buy more. And I didn't plan on doing this vlog, but since it's really good, might as well like share it to the world, right? So thanks again, Diet Coach, for letting me try your wonderful products.